it's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. As you can tell, I have the rack, so y'all know what that means. It's a braiding video. I'm about to be doing some braids on myself, so I figured why not make a video out of it, you know? Y'all really are eating up the knotless braids with beads, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give you another video because that video is doing pretty well. Like y'all must be messing with it, so you know I had to come through again for y'all. So I'm going to be doing, I'm either gonna put a picture on the screen maybe, because I'm not gonna be doing them exactly like the picture. I'm kind of gonna freestyle them, but basically they're gonna be box braids in the back and then some cornrows in the front. But I'm not sure how I want to style the front, so y'all just gonna have to stay tuned for that. This is the hair that I will be using. This is the hair that I use for pretty much all my box braids. The Made Beauty Africana Braid Nation pre-stretch braiding hair. This is in the length 64. So I'm just gonna be using this hair, rat tail comb, my shine and jam, and then some edge booster for my edges. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I need. So without further ado, I guess I'll start separating the hair and I guess we can get started.
Get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out, honest. Vibes galore.
Okay, so as you can see, I have my hair all laid out here. So now I'm just gonna begin parting out my hair. Because I'm doing knotless in the back and then the feed-ins in the front, I'm just going to split my hair in half.
On my mind, as soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get mad. Too hard, don't stand too close. You won't fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows.
Okay, so I have the front sectioned off from the back. So obviously this is gonna be the part that has the box braids, and then this is gonna be where the feed-ins are. So
every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going out of slave. I had that draw that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I read me, so I took a private plane. Get like a wild working on my hand. You too hard to the car. Let's send it to the ground like a brother's by the name. You too hard, touching on the floor. You gon' walk around and drown, try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Guys, so I finally finished the back portion of my hair. All of my knotless braids are done in the back. So I showed y'all what they look like, so I'm gonna just show y'all again. So that is that for that, and now we can begin doing the front. I'm not sure how I want to map it out because I know I want to do braids. I know I think I want to try like the little squiggly design that's going on lately, like that's been trending. I haven't done it before, but I kind of want to try it. You'll see, it'll come together, I promise, but I'm just not sure how I want to mix it together. So
Todd, can you play that again? 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side when it's time to leave my life. Daddy tries to take me out, tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need China. I really need China. I wake up to my mind it runs. 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 Know that busy bad. 5 in the morning. 5 in the morning. 5 in the morning. Todd, can you play that again?
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my homie. Got me with a leash, she saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me. Hey, I lost me in the moment. Baby, if you need it, show it. And if you ever needed or wanted, I got you, you know that. Need a little company, I'll sleep right over. Baby, I'll be right over. Invite me right over. I said I know we ain't on the same page no more. And that's a shame that we ain't we used to be so close. Yes, I'm down and I'm drowning in my sorrows, babe. Hey, yeah, you don't miss me, babe. Come on, ain't trying to miss me, babe. There's been somebody else since me, babe. Think I might do the same, don't tempt me, baby. Hit the party and get friendly. Honestly, no, I don't got it in me. It's no fun when you're not here with me. It's no fun when you're not here with me, yeah. Yet you tell me there's no way. Yes, you tell me there's no way. Guess it's over now. If you think I don't know right now, can we slow it down and sort it out? You got lost me in the moment, baby. If you need it, show it. And if you ever need it or want it, I got you, you know this. And if you ever home alone, me a little company, I'll sleep right over. Baby, I'll be right, yeah.
get a thumbnail real quick because these are cute. Y'all, look at these braids. Please excuse my rack. Should we move this? I think I really outdid myself. Look at how they came out. Let me relax. But yeah, y'all, this is my freestyle. But yeah, y'all, look at these braids. I really did that. So I decided to do a crisscross in the middle. So there's 3 braids crisscrossed, and then I did one on each side, and then I did like the whole rubber band thing on each side, and then I just did 2 regular straight backs. Some of them I did off camera because my camera battery was running low, but I did one side off camera and then I came back on to do the other side. So if some parts skipped and you were like, wait, she didn't show us that, that's why, so I'm sorry. But yeah, I did the squiggly on the end. I didn't even know I could do this for real, y'all. Like, this is my first time trying like all these different designs. Like, this was so intricate. It took me forever. I started in the morning when it was light out. It is now dark. I don't even know what time it is. But yeah, this is how it turned out and I'm so happy. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
We off the grid, this for my kid. Everything we did for the crib, did hit. Flexing with this trip. Going grid, 6 with G6. Lit live 76. Each with them, we off the grid.
Look, when I was in jail, I was low key. Shout out the supporters that wrote me. Full workout and go sleep. You know I'm praying, he carrying both feet. Then we got God with us. He look at me and see a God figure. And when I stop vibing, I know that he with me and I'ma always